What's up? Ed here from Geek, and I am back with Dustin and Mark Kelly. What's up, fellas?
What's up?
Hey, man.
All right, so we're back with another Google Ads Agency Roundtable. We lost a little bit of weight this week. We don't know where Nick is. It was probably because I showed up a little late to the party. Today we're going to cover two topics. Question one is going to be about sunsetting of ETAs and the introduction or the forced use of RSAs. And then we're going to get into some stuff on the agency side of things. So let's kick off with extended text ads, AKA ETAs, saying goodbye to those and moving into RSAs. Are you sad to see RSAs go? What do you think about, sad to see ETAs go? Are you happy with RSAs? What's your take on RSAs and everything going on, Dustin?
I am kind of sad to see ETAs go. The only real reason, like RSAs is something that I wish Google would have done a long time ago. Not the way they have them, but like when they first came out with responsive display ads, I'm like, man, they should do this for text ads to make split testing easier. Yep. The thing that happened was we got it now, but there's no data really behind your combinations of ads. So like, to me, I feel like it's a great way to implement ads in a way, but it's a poor way to understand what's working, because you just have like a poor kind of good status for certain things, but you really don't know how much traffic. I mean, you get an idea of impressions, but you don't know what your click-through rate is on that particular version, conversion rate, things like that. So I'm a little bit unhappy to see ETAs go for that reason, but I am kind of happy that it's making it easier as an agency to split test, like to continually have split testing happening in ad copy. The problem is you can't like do a lot about it without creating another ad or just removing something completely. You can't really like optimize it the way you used to be. So, I mean, that's really my thought. What was the other question?
You basically answered it. Like, are you sad to see ETAs go? Are you happy with RSAs, that type of stuff? So you more or less covered those. Mark, what are your thoughts?
Yeah, I think that I am sad to see ETAs go because they worked for us pretty well and they left us more in control. I felt we have to do a little bit more. Sorry about that. I'll turn my notifications off. We had to do more.
That's strike two, Mark.
Strike two. Okay, so one more and I'm out of here. Yeah, and the other thing that it's just one more move into Google AI, which typically I don't see being effective or as effective. I'm not going to say it's not effective. Some of their AIs do work pretty well.
It'll be effective for them to drive revenue.
Yes, it's very effective for them to drive revenue. So yeah, anything that takes away that little bit of control that we're used to having, and then they're harder to measure because you're getting, Google's giving you some feedback on the ads, but when are they ever right?
Yep.
Should I say that out loud online?
I think you just did. It's okay.
Okay.
I would throw out, we didn't like it because all of the clone campaigns that we cloned and edited off of, a lot of them were ETA ads, and we had to go back and rewrite everything. And
I just did mine.
We knew
they're all responsive.
Yeah, we knew we had proven campaigns working. Now we got to recreate the wheel on some of them. So kind of a pain in the butt. Outside of that, it is what it is. It's, shocker, Google's changing something.